Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day about grapes. Yes, actually I ate all of them. They were very delicious, but I got some photos which I want to share with you, and yeah, I hope you will enjoy today's idea. And briefly about the grapes. So the problem of quality assurance of grapes is the stable and consistent assessment of grape produce using the same standards and the same technology, the same approach. So this problem has been brought to us by some of the producer of wine, and they have R&D department which was applying different methodologies how to grow better grapes. And on some stage when they have a harvest assessment, they needed to count grapes. Then they have wet lab tests regarding the chemical composition of the grapes. And still, the visual assessment was important for them because visual assessment gave them the numbers about the count of grapes and the size of grapes. And yes, they also measure weight as one of the characteristics because it's obviously an economical parameter. At the same time, with existing smartphone technologies, it's not possible 100% to do this accurately, even using some kind of calibrating plate, as you see on the middle, let's say middle image, because the description is the left one, the raw photo which was obtained, and on the right hand side it's about processing and the final results. So regarding results and how it has been done, we have the person was working with mobile application, but we also have the web application, so it can work on the desktop. Upload the photo, press the button, analyze, get the result. This is the simple logic. And as a result, they obtain the count of grapes per berry, so it's berry count basically. Also, it's size measurement, including deviation size, so you can see how many of the smallest berries and the biggest berries and how is the difference between them, and it's all an average calculation. And also, as the final step is about the visual assessment of defects and presence of any under quality produce. So it's also possible not just quantify that produce, these berries which are not good fit into the standards, but also to qualify them and provide the information about what exactly was wrong with these berries. And pretty much the same approach we're using with other berries and fruits and vegetables, and it all depends on the specific needs of the customer. But we will not continue anymore. Let's just enjoy the berries. Yes, and I forgot. I have another photo. Yes, it's from a different trial. Here you see very clearly the size of berries is different, but nice example of how count is important. And also, if you will check the colors, so obviously the blue one is the average middle size, the purple is larger one, and the red one means something like either extremely small or extremely big. In our case, you see it's really very small. And this is the final point. See you tomorrow. Thank you.